Welcome to this explainer. Let's just jump right into it. Today, we're exploring a massive, real game changer in how telecommunication companies operate. We're talking about business intelligence, or BI, and how it's completely transforming the industry from being a reactive, fix-it-when-it-breaks operation into a highly proactive powerhouse. Now, a quick note up front. If you're looking to explain the importance of business intelligence in the telecommunication domain with respect to any real-time case study, well, that is exactly not found in the provided sources. Actually, scratch that. Our sources focus purely on the structural frameworks and the theoretical applications. But hey, if you've ever wondered how your cell provider seemingly reads your mind to offer you a sweet deal, or how they keep the network from crashing during a huge event, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get into it. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. Number 1, BI in telecommunications. 2, predicting customer churn. 3, optimizing network infrastructure. 4, revenue and cost management. And finally, 5, enhancing service innovation. Okay, let's start with section 1, BI in telecommunications, the high-level benefits. So, what do these massive telecom companies actually get out of implementing business intelligence? Like, what's the real payoff here? Well, it boils down to 4 huge things. First up, improved business decisions. This means leadership is finally acting on cold, hard data, not just gut feelings. Second is enhanced operational efficiency, smoothing out the bumps and cutting down those annoying bottlenecks. Third, and you'll love this one, higher customer satisfaction. Services get way more personalized, and annoying issues get fixed so much faster. And lastly, cost optimization, because literally every byte of data analyzed helps trim the fat and cut unnecessary spending. So BI isn't just some fancy IT upgrade, it's a top-to-bottom business enhancement. Moving right along to section 2, predicting customer churn. Let's be real, one of the biggest nightmares for any telecom company is losing you to a competitor. In the industry, this is known as customer churn. It refers to the specific trends and behaviors that flag when a customer is about to jump ship and leave their current provider. And guys, it's a massively expensive problem. Acquiring a brand new customer costs way more than just keeping an existing one happy. But here's the beauty of BI. It actually helps solve this by identifying exit patterns well before the customer literally cuts the cord. So how do they keep you? Through BI, telcos deploy what we call proactive retention strategies. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. First, they analyze your historical behavior and your specific usage patterns. Then, they segment all their customers based on demographics and personal preferences. This deep dive allows them to spot early warning signs of departure. For example, maybe your data usage suddenly drops off a cliff, or you've been calling customer service with a bunch of complaints. Once the system flags those signs, BI triggers proactive, totally personalized retention measures. Instead of waiting for you to furiously call and cancel, they might just, out of the blue, offer you a custom discount or a cool loyalty reward. It's proactive, heavily data-driven customer care. Which brings us to section 3, optimizing network infrastructure. Let's shift gears from the customer side to the actual physical backbone of the whole industry. Now, the old school method of managing a telecom network was highly reactive. Basically, you're just waiting for a network failure, waiting for customers to complain about dropped calls, and then you scramble to fix the hardware. The proactive BI approach, it completely flips the script. By analyzing mountains of historical data, telcos can now predict traffic spikes and potential hardware meltdowns. They literally prevent the downtime before you ever lose your signal. No way, right? But it's true. When you look at the nuts and bolts of BI and telecom, it all starts with the foundation, data integration and data analysis. This raw fuel maps directly to predictive maintenance and fault detection. It's this incredible continuous loop where raw data constantly flows in and rock-solid network stability flows out. And because of these integrated systems, telcos can take incredibly specific network optimization actions. They monitor the network's performance in real time. This means they can instantly spot geographic areas or network nodes getting hammered with high traffic. Think of a packed stadium during a major sports event, or a specific neighborhood during an emergency. Once they see that, they dynamically optimize network resources, pushing bandwidth exactly where it needs to go. The end goal here? Ensuring high-quality services, consistently. You keep your full bars, and the network doesn't crash, precisely because the system saw it coming. All right, let's talk money. Section 4, revenue and cost management. It is absolutely crucial to understand how business intelligence tracks the insane amounts of money flowing in and out of a telecom enterprise. There's a very direct cause and effect relationship happening here. When BI focuses on tracking revenue streams,
The direct business benefit is getting deep, actionable insights into overall profitability. When it tracks operational costs, that leads straight to better cost management execution, basically pinpointing exactly where cash is bleeding out of the system. And honestly, this might be the most important one, tracking underperforming areas. This allows for optimized pricing strategies. So if a particular service plan or a specific region just isn't hitting the numbers, BI tells leadership exactly how to tweak their pricing models to maximize profits. It just totally takes the guesswork out of corporate finance.
And finally, Section 5, Enhancing Service Innovation. So how exactly does business intelligence keep these telecom giants competitive and looking toward the future? Well, BI provides real-time insights into customer preferences, market trends, and what the competition is offering. In the real world, this means telecom companies are constantly crunching real-time data. We're talking call quality metrics, spikes in data usage on specific apps, sudden market shifts. This gives them the absolute perfect blueprint to innovate. They aren't just crossing their fingers and guessing what you might want next year. They know exactly what the next generation of services needs to look like, all based on your evolving needs right now. Which leaves me with this final kind of provocative thought. How will real-time BI continue to shape the next generation of telecom services? As data collection gets even more advanced and these analytical models become even more sophisticated, the line between predicting what a customer wants and literally creating it for them in real time, well, it's going to blur entirely. The proactive transformation we've broken down today is truly just the tip of the iceberg. I really hope this explainer has given you a solid, behind-the-scenes look at the massive role BI plays. Think about that the next time your network flawlessly handles a massive traffic spike or you get a perfectly timed upgrade offer. Thanks so much for joining me, and keep learning.